Thank you, auntie. Thank you, uncle.
To me. You've been a backbone of my life.
You always trusted me, you always felt that I am capable of doing something.
Before coming to Trap when I was in 6th or 7th, and no encouragement and support for my talents.
It gives us a lot of confidence, lot of happiness, and lot of proud.
The most important thing I learned is not to give up at any moment.
Any given amount of time is insufficient to talk about
Your simplicity has won many hearts and has done good to many lives.
If there is one thing which is I'm grateful in my life is that you guys coming into my life.
And if anyone is recognizing me as a good or a respectable person, it's all that credit belongs to you, uncle, auntie.
You have come across many challenges and you have battled them all.
You both, thank you so much, uncle and auntie. I will never forget Trap.
Time which I spent with you are so special to me.
Thank you for giving the spiritual education through your wisdom, knowledge and experiences of life.
Thanks to auntie for the immense pure love that she has shown us.
But you deserve much more than this. But I can only offer you my endless love.
I would like to thank auntie for showing the tremendous unconditional love and care.
Be thankful for everything that Trap provided for 5 years.
Thank you so much. Love you, miss you both.
Thank you so much.
Love you both, miss you both.
My daughter and my husband. Hi, Karudallu. Hi. She's little Samaira. Hi, Karudallu. Hi.
Sairam, it's always pleasure to thank you both uncle and auntie. As you have given me a lot, you have supported me in all the tough times and you guided me to be the best. And I'm always grateful towards you and for the help that you have given. I also thank God for giving you both as my parents. Thank you so much, uncle and auntie. Love you a lot.
Sairam, uncle and auntie, it was a great privilege to be a part of Trap. Having you and auntie in my life has made me a better person. I always cherish the moment that I've spent in Trap. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to be a part of Trap. Thank you, auntie. Thank you, uncle.
Sairam, uncle and auntie, thank you so much for all your unconditional love and support for all of us. We are really blessed to be part of Trip. And thanks to uncle, you always trusted me. You always felt that I am capable of doing something, and I'm very happy for that. Thank you so much. And thanks to auntie for all your time and support. Like, you always guided me. All your kind words meant a lot. Thank you so much for both of you. Words are not enough to express my gratitude towards you and Trip. I must say that I'm following all your life skills, all the values that you have taught me in counseling and even in my career working in life skills sector. I'm very happy.
Saram uncle, Saram auntie, I really want to thank you for everything because you have made me a better person to evolve myself spiritually and physically, to manage my situation and to manage my disability. You helped me in a lot of ways. Before coming to Trap when I was in 6th or 7th, I had no encouragement and support for my talents or my other things, my special gifts, instincts, nothing. But when I came to Trap, I got freedom, I got support, I got encouragement from you and my classmates and the Trap students and wardens, everyone. And it's you because the Trap is there. If you are not there, the Trap would have not been. So I wish you are everything to me. Thank you.
Sairam uncle, Sairam auntie. First of all, I'd like to say that the best thing happened and the best opportunity I've ever got in my life is Trap. For that, I need to thank God, Bobji uncle and Sitama auntie for giving me this wonderful opportunity to be a part of Trap. Trap has really helped me and shaped me into the person I have become today. Thanks to uncle and auntie for introducing and inculcating life skills, values and devotion in us. Thanks to Trap for giving me large, extended, beautiful family and friends. Thank you, uncle and auntie, for teaching us the most important lessons and important things in life. And thank you for being that perfect example of service to man is service to God. Thank you for giving us spiritual education through your wisdom, knowledge and experiences of life. You both are truly a role model and a great teacher. And thank you for always guiding us in the right path towards God, spirituality, good character, good behavior, and towards love and service. Thanks to you both. Thank you for being my mother, my father, my guru, my guide, and my God. You both are truly a blessing in my life. I wish you happy and healthy life. Stay blessed. Thank you.
Sairam uncle and auntie, I hope you are doing well. It's always been a pleasure to show gratitude towards Trep and as well as you. I just want to say thank you for everything. I always cherish the moments being in Trep, and I'm very glad that I was a part of Trep. The values you taught us are really making me a better person. I thank you for being very supportive and the unconditional love you showed on us. Thank you.
I'm very lucky and very blessed to get such a lovely parents in this life who have given me loads of love and supported me in each and every step of my life. Thank you so much for being a helping hand when I was helpless. Thank you for being my voice when I was voiceless. And thank you so much for all the sacrifices you made to make me feel happy and comfortable. Thank you for nourishing my mind with good and positive thoughts and comforting my heart with all the human values, which makes me feel very different and very special from others. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you is such a small word. After all, you have given a precious blessings to me in this life. So, but still, thank you so much and love you both and miss you so much.
Sairam. It's been pleasure to thank you, uncle and auntie, for all the efforts you have taken to teach us the values while guiding every movement, correcting our mistakes, and you taught us how life skills are important along with these academies to live in this outside world. We thank you once again, uncle and auntie, for making our lives better and brighter with your love and care.
Sairam, uncle and auntie, this is Varsha here to speak a few words about the beautiful journey of my life in trap. So as soon as the word trap comes to my mind, I just think about all the enjoyments which I have received from there. So normally I used to love that translation of EHV classes. So my teaching journey started there. So today I am a very good teacher. I am working as a teacher. So platform starts from there. Thank you so much for that. And apart from that, I love so many things which we did there, like bhajans. Then we used to have lots of competition, especially the competition versus the two rooms. So I used to love that very much. So thank you for everything, uncle and auntie, which you have given me. So when I joined the trap, I was like a rotten seed. Rotten seed means like I don't wanted to leave anymore because I lost my parents. I was in such a difficult position when I joined the trap. But when I came out, I was like a big blossom tree. A blossom tree means a rotten seed coming out of a blossom tree. It's all because of you people. The positive atmosphere which you have given me there, and not only the positive atmosphere, you also taught me the life skills, then how to lead life, the human values, everything. So thank you so much, uncle and auntie. When I start counting all my blessings, all these blessings made me to turn around you. It's because my basement was so happy and so nice, so clearly nourished. It's all because of you both. Thank you so much, uncle and auntie. I will never forget trip. It is a beautiful moment in my life which I can never get it back. Thank you so much, uncle and auntie. Thank you so much and love you both.
Sai Ram, hope you both are happy, healthy, and safe. Uncle and auntie, you have always supported me. You have cared for me, protected me. You've corrected me when I'm wrong. You have motivated me. You have given me a lot of knowledge. Today, what I am, where I stand, it's all because of you.
I thank you for the unconditional love. I thank you for the loving family you have given me. Thank you both.
Sairam uncle and auntie. So it's always beautiful when you're grateful to the people who have helped you to come up in your lives. And I strongly believe that just as a sculptor takes an ordinary stone and makes a beautiful idol out of it, so TREP selects most needy students and most talented students and make them the best exemplaries in the society. So I'm very happy that I have gotten wonderful opportunity to stay in TREP and get the value-based education from TREP through both of you and wardens and students also. So I'm very grateful to TREP and thank both of you, uncle and auntie, for everything. Stay safe and take care. Saira.
Sairam uncle and auntie, I hope you both are doing fine. I just wanted to say thank you for everything you have given me. And thank you so much, uncle, for believing me and having faith in me that and making me such a strong and confident girl that I am today. And auntie, thank you so much for teaching me how to live in harmony with nature, how to be one with nature, how to take care of our mother earth, and that's most important in this world, to be one with nature. And thank you so much for everything. And I still follow your guidance, I still follow your foot, I still follow your path that you have shown me. And I'm really glad to be part of TREP. I'm really blessed to be part of TREP. And thank you so much for everything. Stay safe, stay home. This is just an act of gratitude in this pandemic. We miss you both so badly. Be happy.
Sairam uncle and auntie, hope you both are good and staying safe. Taking time to thank you both for each and everything you have done for me. Of course, I have learned many things in TREP which would last throughout my life. You both have helped me in many different ways. Thank you for that. I feel TREP is a happiest place and I'm very proud to be part of TREP. Thank you.
Saram. As you know, I studied in TREP for 4 years. One of the great lessons that I have learnt in TREP is gratitude. So, gratitude is a great virtue that we need to thank everyone who have helped in our life, who have gave birth in our life. Every single good thing which is happening to you, you need to thank God, or you need to thank someone who is doing that to you. So, Uncle and Auntie gave us value-based education, life skills, devotion, and so many services. So, we need to thank them every time as much as we want with all our strength, and we need to help outside people who are very in need. So, I'm here to offer my humble gratitude to our beloved parents, Uncle and Auntie. Thank you, Uncle. Thank you, Auntie.
Sairam uncle, it's Subbi uncle. How are you, uncle? Sairam auntie, how are you, auntie? You're fine. Meet my daughter and my husband. Hi, Karudallu. Hi. She's little Samaira. Hi, Karudallu. Hi. Hi, Uncle. Uncle, how is your health, uncle? I hope you're fine. Because of this corona, we have shifted for my husband's native, uncle. I'll meet you very soon, uncle. Once I come for Bangalore. If you're fine, if I'm fine, then I thought of giving you a surprise, uncle, about my by sending you this video. After so many days, I'm in touch with you, uncle. I'm sorry I couldn't come make up to come for hostel, uncle. I'm really sorry. Next year I'll make sure to come with my baby, uncle. Thank you so much for whatever you have done for us, uncle, for me, for my life and everything. It's very important for me, uncle. TREP has become like very important part of my life, uncle. This is just for a grateful thing. I'm just calling you, uncle. I just wanted to share an incident with you. All my friends are doing very well in their life. They are just studying well. They did their education. They are working. But me, I couldn't complete my higher studies because of that. I have that guilt always. But you used to say every time my education is life is more than education, uncle. It's true. Because if I'm not done completed my education, still I have got a very great life, uncle. I've got very nice father-in-law, mother-in-law, very great family, uncle. I'm very happy. all are very new religion people, new people fully, but still I could make up with them. They all love me so much, and I love them all. I'm all everyone's favorite uncle. I just want to say you, and all will be always like from where you have learned all those things. You know how to manage everything. Once anyone are fighting, whatever happening, you should always tell us, uncle. Love begets love, and hate begets love. I hate always. I'll keep this in mind, uncle. Anyone do the bitching and all happens in this family, but still I'll make up. I won't fight with anyone. I'll be always everyone's favorite uncle. It's all only because of you. So thank you very much. Um, it's my request for you. If anytime, if in life, if I can join my daughter for trip, uncle. If once she is fifth or sixth, please give her one seat, uncle. It's my request for you. She'll also learn life. What is life? She's playing here, uncle. Dalu, say hi for uncle, auntie. Hi. Hi. She's 1 year, 3 month, uncle. Hi, Kalo. Hi, uncle. Hi, auntie. Hello, Sitama, auntie. Thank you so much, uncle. See you soon. Thank you, uncle. Bye.
Sairam, I'm very grateful to you both, uncle and auntie. You're the precious gift in my life. You always guided me, supported me in all my ways. I always thank God giving us such wonderful parents to me. And you have been providing a free, value-based education which builds up my character. And till today, I remember you. Thank you, uncle.
Sairam uncle, hope all the TREP students and everyone are doing well. Whatever we are today, the prime reason behind it is the TREP. Whatever we have learnt in TREP, it gives us a lot of confidence, lot of happiness and lot of proud. Thanks uncle, thanks for giving this wonderful opportunity to stay in TREP for the 5 years. And this pandemic here, we cannot go and meet each other physically, so at least in this we can keep in touch and we can help all the needy peoples. And we will be with you uncle. Whatever the good causes you are doing, you can continue and we will be with you uncle for all the helps we can do it. Thanks you uncle. Thank you uncle. Thanks a lot once again.
Sairam uncle and auntie, thanks for being my guru and guiding me in a right path. You're always the best role model ever in my life. Thanks for your positivity, encouragement, precious time, and each and everything I've received in my life from your end. I hope you're staying safe and healthy in this pandemic. Stay home, stay safe, and we miss you.
Sairam, best things come from best people, and I've got the best of everything from uncle and auntie, who has been always caring me and supporting me, and they've been the best part of my life, and they have given me lots of knowledge, wisdom, which is so important, and I feel so grateful for them. Thank you uncle and auntie for everything.
Sairam uncle, Sairam auntie, I would love to say that you both have been the best part in my life. Thanks to uncle for always supporting me and for always guiding us into a right path, teaching us all the life lessons, spirituality and devotions. Thanks for all the life lessons that you have taught us, which has made our life even more better. Thanks to auntie for the immense pure love that she has shown us, for all the unconditional love and the support. Thanks to both of you. We are really grateful to you, uncle and auntie. And take care. We love you a lot.
Sairam uncle, for growing a useful tree, it requires nourishment from very young age. In same way, you have provided us required human values for making me a good citizen. So, I am thanking you for everything you have provided me in my very young age. Thank you, uncle.
Sairam uncle, Sairam auntie, I'm here taking this moment to thank you both for helping me and guiding me at my tough times and standing by my side at the times of needy. Thank you so much, uncle and auntie. Thanks would really not be enough, but still that word makes us near. Wondering how? Thanks means 10 hugs and kisses. Thank you a lot, uncle and auntie.
Sairam uncle and auntie, one of the best thing happened in my life is coming to TREP that has made me what I am today. I always feel blessed for that. I'm lucky to be a TREP student and I always feel proud of it. And when we are in TREP, we never feel that we are away from our family. It's all because of the support and care everyone gives there. We have all had a wonderful memories and wonderful days, unforgettable days in TREP. It's all because of both of you. Thank you so much for that, for all what you have been, what you are, what you both have given to us, to me and my family. I'm always grateful, and it'll always be remembered. Thank you so much for all the love and support that you both have shown us. Thank you, Uncle and Auntie. Stay blessed and happy.
Sairam, Uncle and Auntie, I hope you both are happy, healthy, and safe. I take this moment to thank both of you for giving me an opportunity to be in TREP for 3 years and to be part of this lovely family. The 3 years of my TREP journey was so memorable and it gave me a lot of learnings. You both are always inspiration and role model to me. Baba Ramdev says, simplicity is the quality of great souls. When I read that saying, I remember you both. Your simplicity has won many hearts and has done good to many lives. You always activated a hunger of knowledge and wisdom in me. Who I am and what I am today in this society is because of TREP and the learnings, the values you taught me. The TREP has made me a confident woman in the society. A mere words can never express a gratitude towards you both. What I believe is the best way to show gratitude is to follow whatever you taught me, imbibe all the values I learned from TREP in my life, and to do the good things to the people and to be the best in the society. Thank you so much, Uncle and Auntie. Love you a lot and miss you. Thank you.
Salam to everyone, myself Vinay DJ, and I'd like to thank Uncle and Auntie for giving me such a beautiful place and such a precious place to study and to build my own personality. And TREP has given me a lot of things, and thank you Uncle and Auntie for everything. You have supported me in all my problems, and thank you all.
Sairam, Uncle and Auntie, I hope you both are doing well. In this 5 years of journey in the TREP was really amazing and memorable. I have learnt a lot of values and skills in this TREP, like self-confidence, compassion and many more. I'm really thankful for you both for giving me an opportunity to be a part of TREP. Thank you so much and love you both.
Sairam Uncle, Sairam Auntie, thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to stay in TREP. Thank you so much, Uncle and Auntie. You both are very special to me. Both are like God to me. Thank you so much for everything. In TREP, I learned so many human values like dedication, devotion, discipline, cleanliness, giving respect to elders, taking blessings from the parents. Thank you so much for everything. In TREP, we used to celebrate all the festivals, especially the Christmas and the New Year, which I like the most. And celebrating all the festival shows like God is one for all and we all are one. Thank you so much, Uncle and Auntie, for giving me an nice human values in my life. Thank you so much. Love you, miss you both.
Sairam, I'd like to take an opportunity to thank Bobji uncle and Sitama auntie because of everything they have provided in TREP, as well as they have been motivating us all the time whenever we visit the TREP, and they often call us and get to know our status of our parents too, how we are doing, how the parents are doing, everything they're taking care of. I like to thank them from my bottom of my heart. Thanks for everything.
Uncle, Sairam Auntie, how are you? I hope you both are doing well and stay safe and healthy. Lots of love from here to you both. TREP, TREP has given me everything in my life, what not. So I'm very much grateful to that. And the values which we have learned from the TREP are very important in our lives. And you have taught us how to lead life with confidence. And the most important thing I learned is not to give up at any moment, and the power of discrimination to think what right and what not. So this has made me a individual, a very very good individual. So thank you so much for everything. Thank you. Lots of love to you, uncle and auntie. Always grateful to your efforts. Thank you.
Sairam uncle and auntie, I hope both of you are doing good, and I'm very thankful to God for giving me an opportunity to be a part of TREP. Those 4 years were really the best days. Thank you so much, uncle, for teaching us what is right and wrong, for guiding us in the right path. You have always been supporting. Thank you for all your love. And auntie, I have always looked up to you, your interest in those recycling things. So even now, before I throw something, I think of reusing it or making something out of it. So every small things I learned in TREP has helped me a lot to grow, and thank you for that. And thank you for giving me such a good, great family. And thank you. Take care and be safe.
Sairam uncle and auntie, I hope everything is good and fine out there. This is just a small thank you note for all the things you have done to me. You have been a backbone of my life. Just like they say in Bhagavad Gita, whatever actions are done by great men, common men follow in his footsteps, and whatever standards he sets by exemplary acts, the world pursues him. You have set standard examples for us and even raised the bar. So it's time for me to match it and raise it even more by following your teachings and principles and spreading it to our near neighborhood. Thank you everything. Thank you for everything, uncle and auntie. Love you 3000.
Sairam uncle, Sairam auntie. First of all, I'd like to thank you both of you for helping, for teaching me very good things, and I learned many things in trap that gave me self-confidence more and more, and to lead my life in further ways, and how the society is, how to face the society, everything you taught me. From, from that I'm very helpful, and from that I'm leading my life very bravely. Thank you for everything, uncle.
Sairam uncle and auntie, I am very blessed and lucky to have you as my teacher, parents and guardian, as you have always helped me in my tough times, and you have also helped us to get better and better in all the ways, and you have also helped us to bring out the best in all of us. As you have always showered your love on us, I just want to say thank you, and thank you for everything. Love you uncle and auntie.
Sairam uncle and auntie, I hope you both are doing fine and you both are safe. Any given amount of time is insufficient to talk about TREP because it's like a second home for us. The love and care we received by auntie and uncle is more enough to feel comfortable in the TREP, and hence it's a home for us, like a home for us. Sometimes we forget or to show the gratitude towards you both. So I take this opportunity to thank you both, uncle and auntie, for molding us as a better persons, by teaching moral lessons and life lessons, and most importantly the love towards the God. And I appreciate this idea put forward by Kavya. So once again I thank you so much, uncle and auntie. Hope you stay safe in this pandemic. Sairam uncle and auntie.
Sairam, uncle and auntie, I am really blessed that I am a part of a TREP. You have supported in all activities and taught us so many values and life skills that made us the best to live in the society, and your unconditional love towards everyone. I'll be always grateful to you, uncle and auntie. Thank you so much for everything you have done. Stay safe and healthy.
Sairam uncle, Sairam auntie, hope your health is fine. Thank you for all your efforts and support that you have given us, which really helped us to become who we really are. And you have always been an inspiration to all of us. And thank you for being there in our tougher times, uncle. And it was our privilege that we studied, grew and learned so many things under your influence.
and you have always been a special person to me. Thanks for filling my life with some devotion life skills. And though thank you is just a small word to express my gratitude, I've always thanked you, Uncle, for everything that you have given us. Thank you.
Sairam uncle and auntie, it's always pleasure thanking you both. Thank you so much for guiding us, for always being there for us. We are all happy and proud to be part of TREP, and I got beautiful family and friends that I can cherish for lifetime. Thank you so much for everything that you had done for us. Lots of love.
Om Shri Sai Ram. It's always my pleasure to thank both uncle and auntie. It is the greatest gift given by God in my life is both uncle and auntie. I always thank uncle and auntie because they treated me as a own son. I just say in one line, life is like an accident. So here there will be two situations, where the first situation they takes photos and post in the Facebook, Instagram, and second situation where the person who comes and calls to the ambulance and save his life. Here the first situation, some people was discouraging me and putting me down, and the second situation where the only one person who encouraged me whenever I do wrong, he comes and correct me, and he always encouraged me in everything in my life, and that is none other than uncle. I don't know, my bond with my with uncle is like a father and son. I pray to God that always let it be like this only.
Sairam auntie, Sairam uncle, hope both of you are doing really good. I wish the best to you always. I feel so blessed and grateful to be part of TREP, to learn from the best. I mean, I can't be enough thankful to you both. And being with every member in the TREP, I have learned so many things. You guys have taught me so many values and morals in life, which always gives me a different perspective to think from, which those thoughts actually make me a better person of myself. And it's a lifelong process, I know, and those thoughts are important, and you have given that moral base from where those thoughts originate to make us a different and outstanding person. I'm very thankful, and even while building that base, you had given me so many opportunities and activities. I enjoyed, I think it was like tons and tons of opportunities. I enjoyed all of those activities and opportunities that we used to conduct in the TREP. If I had to pick few of them, Surya Yoga, thanking the sun, or be it gardening, recycling, I used to enjoy, and scavenger hunt, I used to enjoy that game as well, and discussing the whatever values we learned from the movies in the weekends. All those things has really helped me in instilling those values in me. I'm very thankful. I mean, I'm so thankful, uncle. I really love you. I love you, auntie. I love you, uncle.
Sairam auntie, Sairam uncle, I am really lucky to have you both in my life as father and mother. You have not only helped me with finance, better education, better personality, and feeding us with basic human values that every human should have. Above all this, you have also given me big sister, small sister, big brother, small brother, and my friends as a complete family in my life. Being in TREP was a foundation to design my life in a better way. Thank you so much, but you would deserve much more than this. But I can only offer you my endless love. Love you so much, uncle, auntie, and miss you both.
Sairam uncle and auntie, I hope you're fine and safe. We miss you all so much. I always remember that how lucky I am to be a part of TREP. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to be a part of TREP.
As the saying goes, have an attitude of gratitude. I am very pleasure and glad to thank you both that you have taught me in my life the values, the life skills, and the guidelines and the preachings are very effective that you both are taught me. Thank you for all those things that you taught me in my life. I am very lucky to have you both in my life. Thank you so much.
Sairam, I am Vishal Singh and I have studied in TREP for 5 years, starting from 6th standard to 10th standard. TREP has provided lot of things. To name a few, that is educational opportunity from 6th to 10th standard, the clothing that TREP provided, the stationery, the educational expenses, the trips, as well as the main thing which is your educational human values. And TREP is providing till now everything required for a student to progress in life, and all the base, that is the foundation that the TREP provided, is very good and very strong. So therefore I want to be thankful for everything that TREP provided for 5 years, that is from 2007 to 2012. Thank you.
Sairam uncle and auntie, I hope you both are doing good. Even I am good here. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for everything, for your teachings. TREP is a good part of my life, whichever I can't forget it. Thank you, Kavyaka, for giving me such an opportunity to thank uncle and auntie. Thank you so much. Miss you people, eager to see you, uncle and auntie. Take care.
Sairam uncle, Sairam auntie, hope you both are doing good. I really thank God for bringing you both into my life, and I really thank you for teaching me the core values to lead a better life as a better person at the right age, at the right platform, and I really thank you for that. And here I would like to thank auntie for showing the tremendous unconditional love and care towards me, and I really thank you for everything. Thank you, Sairam.
Sairam, it gives me a great pleasure to thank you both, uncle and auntie. The memories which are spent with you and the time which are spent with you are so special to me in my life. You have taught me many things. You have guided me many things in all my tough times. Hope you are doing good. Stay safe and healthy, uncle and auntie. Love you lots.
Sairam uncle, Sairam auntie, hope you both are doing good. Thank you for giving me a wonderful opportunity to be a part of TREP. TREP has given me so many good friends, and so many memories to cherish for lifetime. I would like to wholeheartedly thank you for giving me such a wonderful opportunity to be a part of TREP. Thank you, uncle. Thank you, auntie. Hope you're doing good. Please stay safe, stay healthy, and please do take good care of you. Thank you.
Sairam uncle, Sairam auntie, hope you both are doing good. Firstly, thank you so much for taking me into your life. TREP, home sweet home. It's the base for my life, where I could stand out in this society. What I am today, it's all because of TREP, where we have learned many things, life lessons, and to have the wisdom, basic wisdom to know what's right and wrong. Thank you so much, uncle auntie, for being inspirations to us and giving this lovely opportunity in our life to be this part of the lovely family. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, uncle auntie.
Sairam, I wish there was a better word than love to make it feel how uncle and auntie and TREP mean to me a lot. I would be always grateful to them for what they have done to me, and I will always keep them in my prayers, and I wish for their good health. Hope you know that I love you. I love you from my bottom of my heart. I love you 3000. I miss you so much, uncle and auntie.
Sairam uncle, Sairam auntie, hope you both are doing good there. It's my pleasure to thank you both. As being part of TREP, I felt TREP is a place of true happiness. It has given me unforgettable memories, amazing friends, beautiful family, and all the principles to lead my life. It is impossible for me to count all the ways that you have helped me. Thanks for guiding me on the right path. Thanks for all your support and kindness.
Sairam, it is said that no care is greater than dad's care and no love is greater than mom's love. And this was always something that I got from both uncle and auntie. Thank you, uncle and auntie, for showering the infinite love on me. And it's not possible to express the gratitude through just by words. And the only way that I'll try my best to repay it back is helping the poor and needy ones and by showing the love that you have given me. And of course I cannot repay it back fully, but to some extent I'll try my best. Thank you, uncle and auntie, for giving me all the things, for showering the love and by helping me through difficult times. Thank you, auntie. Thank you, uncle.
Sairam, it's a great pleasure and honor to thank you both, uncle and auntie. It's been a great pleasure and honor and privilege to be part of TRIP. I am so blessed to be part of TRIP. I have also tried to inculcate all the values that I have learnt in TRIP. Thank you for making me such a wonderful human being in the society. Thank you for all your teachings and endless love and affection towards everyone in TRIP. And everyone in TRIP has made me a better person each and every day. I have got all the good people for life. Thank you for everything, uncle. You have always been part of my decisions, and you people have improved my life to next level. Thank you for everything you have been to me. You will be in hearts of many and one of mine too. Thank you.
Sairam, uncle and auntie, this is Ravi Teja. Hope you guys are doing good. TRIP gave me a lot of good memories and good learnings. It was great being part of TRIP. Thank you, uncle and auntie, for giving me such good memories and such good people. Thank you, uncle and auntie.
I feel that I realize that it is TRIP which has made me what I am today. It is very hard for me to imagine what I would have been without TRIP. It is TRIP that has that made me to be considerate about others, to be able to stand in other person's shoes and understand other person's feelings and situation. So that classmate, he too was from a needy background, and he wasn't financially strong, and his family and he were extremely happy that he got the job, and he was very thankful for me that I prepared him. I helped him prepare for the interview, and yeah, now I realize that how important TRIP has been for me. How much I would say that TRIP has been a base for me, which helped me grow and flourish. So I would like to take this opportunity and thank you both for making me who I have become now. TRIP has played a very crucial role in shaping my life. I would through this video I would like to express my deep gratitude to both of you, and I hope and pray that both of you stay healthy and happy.
Sairam uncle, Sairam auntie, I hope you guys are fine and staying safe. So actually it is impossible to thank you guys, but this is a small bit of video. Mainly in TRIP I learned main two values. One is doing namasmarana and another one is loss of stage fear. And you don't believe me uncle, till now I am doing namasmarana, not by writing, but I'll chant the name of God. In a day of 24 hours I'll spend 2 to 10 minutes I'll spend. And another one is the stage fear. As you know, I was having a lot of stage fear, but now I'll push myself I'll push myself in doing seminars and case presentation in the colleges, and there I'll remember TRIP that time. So that is all because of you uncle, and thank you so much. Take care, bye.
Sairam uncle, Sairam auntie, hope you both are healthy and fine. Firstly, I would thank God for giving me an opportunity to stay in TRIP for 5 years. Those 5 years of my life were really amazing. TRIP is not just a word or place to me, it's an emotion to me. And TRIP is all because of you both. Trap is the place where I have learned lots of things, lots of values, and lot more things. For best two things that I've learned from you both is the first thing, being patient, and the second thing is not to harm nature. Finally, I would tell that there are no words to express my love towards you, to express my gratitude towards you. Uh, Love you, uncle. Love you, auntie. Stay home. Stay safe.
Sai Ram. It really gives me an immense pleasure to thank uncle and auntie, for which you both have given me a big opportunity to be part of this wonderful family. For me, trip is an emotion. I always cherish by remembering the days I spent in trip. I am really very thankful for both uncle and auntie. Thank you very much. Thank you for everything. Stay home, stay safe, take care.
Sairam uncle, Sairam auntie, we can't thank you enough for all that you have done to each one of us. You have loved us unconditionally, you have supported us, guided us, and filled our lives with human values and devotion. So thanks a lot. I cannot imagine what kind of life I would be living if I had not got the opportunity to be part of TREP. Because TREP is the foundation of my life. Whatever I am today is all because of TREP. So I thank God and you both for this wonderful opportunity. I've learned a lot from you both. I've learned to be kind, to love, and to help and to serve the needy. So thanks a lot for your great teachings. Also, the two things which changed my life profoundly are the act of gratitude and the determination power. I am pretty sure the trip journey wasn't an easy one because you both have sacrificed a lot. You have put in lots and lots of efforts and you have come across many challenges and you have battled them all. So thanks a lot for your dedication and for your efforts. I know these mere words are not enough to show our gratitude, and the best way to show gratitude to you both is to follow your teachings, your whatever the values you have taught us, and to help the people around and especially the ones who are in need. So we will try to do that. Thanks a lot. We love you. Take care. Bye.
Sairam, first of all, I'm very grateful to uncle and auntie for all the things that they have been provided when I was in trip. I learned lot of things from trip like self-discipline, then the value of money through moderation, and I learned lot of things from education in human values EHV class. Then I am very grateful to uncle and auntie that they have did so many things for me and they have showered lot of love for me, and I will remember them until the last breath of my life. And thank you uncle and auntie for everything.
Sairam, uncle and auntie. It's a great blessings to have you both in my life. Your teachings will keep inspiring me each and every day. You are the one who has laid foundation to my character. You are the one who is helping me whenever I'm in need. Thanks for being my guru, my guide, my parent, and a great helping hand to me. Thank you so much, uncle and auntie. Very grateful to you both.
Sairam, it's always pleasure to thank you both, uncle, auntie. You have guided me to the best path. You are so lovable. You are so kind. You are so loved by everyone, and you haven't been anger for me for my mistakes. You just taught that everything is let past go off, and just focus on your future and don't ever think what has happened. Just it's all water under the bridge. So you have guided me to the best, and if anyone is recognizing me as a good or a respectable person, it's all that credit belongs to you, uncle, auntie. Thank you.
Saram, uncle and auntie, hope you guys are doing good. If there is one thing which is I'm grateful in my life is that you guys coming into my life. Trap is a game-changing chapter in my life. If I have to say, I cherish each and every moment which I spent in Trap. So there are few values, lot of values which has impacted hugely on my life, and I'm very grateful for that. I don't think this video makes any justification for how grateful I am to you. All I want to say is just I'm very grateful to you.
Sairam uncle, Sairam auntie, I hope you both are doing good. The word thank you is very small to show you both gratitude. The gratitude is a big word. And the most important thing is the day which I entered TRUP has changed my whole life. And the teaching you have both given me is very much helpful to my life. I remember you always. I follow you always. I be with you always. What I can say. And the most interesting thing in my life is you both always comes in my dreams. You wish me, you bless me, and you be with me. Love you both. Miss you both.
Thank you so much for everything you have done.
Love you, uncle. Love you, auntie. Stay home, stay safe.
Thank you for giving me such a good, great family. And thank you. Take care and be safe.
Grateful to Trep and thank both of you, uncle and auntie, for everything.
Thank you a lot, uncle and auntie.
Thank you so much for everything that you had done for us. Lots of love.